Ever wake up, sit on the edge of your bed, and feel like your legs just don't have the strength they used to? Maybe your arms feel heavier, or you're walking slower, not from pain, but because your body feels weaker. If this hits home, you're not alone. After 60, muscle loss, called sarcopenia, is common, but here's the good news: it's not just aging. It's about what you do, or don't do, to support your body. The secret? Your muscles rebuild while you sleep, and the right bedtime foods can fuel that process. Stick with me to discover 4 simple, natural foods that fight muscle loss, boost strength, and help you wake up feeling stronger, one restful night at a time. The last one, just a spoonful before bed, might shock you with its impact. Kiwi, the sleep-boosting muscle helper. Meet George, a 74-year-old retired teacher who felt stiff and unsteady every morning. "I creak like an old chair," he joked. I suggested 2 kiwis an hour before bed. 2 weeks later, he was sleeping better and moving easier. Why? Kiwi naturally contains melatonin, helping you fall asleep faster and reach deep, muscle-repairing sleep. Its antioxidants, like vitamins C and E, fight inflammation that causes stiffness, while potassium prevents leg cramps. Plus, kiwi's low glycemic index won't spike blood sugar, making it perfect for diabetes management or blood pressure control. Peel 2 kiwis, eat them slowly, and let your body heal. Have you tried kiwi at night? Share below. Eggs, not just for breakfast. Think eggs are only for mornings? Think again. Lena, 68, used to wake up with wobbly noodle legs. She added 1 poached egg before bed, and within weeks, she felt stable and stronger. Eggs are a complete protein, packed with leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle repair, crucial for seniors, as our bodies need more protein to rebuild. Eggs also provide vitamin D for muscle function and choline for nerve health. Studies show 1 egg a day is heart-safe for most, even improving good cholesterol, HDL. Soft boil or poach 1 egg an hour before bed for a gentle, muscle-nourishing snack. Avoid frying or heavy salt. How do you like your eggs? Let me know. Pumpkin seeds, tiny but mighty. Harold, a 72-year-old gardener, woke up with tight, unrest legs. The culprit? Low magnesium. A handful of pumpkin seeds fixed that. Just 1 ounce delivers 37% of your daily magnesium, relaxing muscles and easing soreness. These seeds also contain tryptophan, which boosts melatonin for deeper sleep, and 7 grams of plant-based protein for steady muscle repair. Their healthy fats ensure slow digestion, fueling your body all night. Sprinkle a tablespoon over yogurt or eat plain, unsalted to keep blood pressure in check. Bonus: zinc supports immunity and testosterone for men, tied to muscle mass. Tried pumpkin seeds at night? Share your thoughts. Cottage cheese, the muscle-building champion. Martha, 76, struggled with weak legs on stairs. 1 small change, 3 spoonfuls of low-fat cottage cheese before bed, changed everything. "I feel stable again," she said after 3 weeks. Why? Cottage cheese has casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles amino acids all night, preventing breakdown. It's high in leucine, low in carbs, and won't spike blood sugar, making it ideal for diabetes or prediabetes. Choose low-sodium, low-fat versions for heart health. Mix with a banana slice or cinnamon for taste, but keep it light. No cooking, no fuss, just a spoonful of strength. Have you tried cottage cheese at night? Tell me below. Your stronger tomorrow starts tonight. You don't need intense workouts or complex diets to fight muscle loss. Small, consistent choices, like a kiwi, an egg, pumpkin seeds, or cottage cheese, can rebuild your strength while you sleep. These aren't just snacks, they're acts of care for your future self, supporting muscles, calming nerves, and boosting mornings. Muscle loss isn't inevitable, it's preventable with simple steps. Which food will you try tonight? Share in the comments, your story could inspire someone. If this gave you hope, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Legacy of Lessons for more gentle, science-backed ways to stay strong and vibrant. Rest well, eat kindly, and wake up stronger.